here is a quick progress update of my project. So I've done a prototype with the basic gameplay features, and we'll start demonstrating it now. And this is the title screen of the game. There's a function to log in with Facebook, which will enable me to use his Facebook ID as an identifier, so I can save his data in my server, and he can download his saved data from my server and not just save it locally. Other than that, I can enable features such as chat and player trading in the future, but that's for the future. So moving on. This is the main menu of the game, where the player will do most of his management functions, such as buying his items, equipment, and leading to other parts of the game, such as the maze itself. So currently is only the important stuff is displayed: the current level, the current gold, and the button to the maze. Current level affects how difficult the maze levels will be. The deeper you are, the more large the maze will become, and the more stronger the monsters will be. And gold is basically the currency you use to buy, sell, and stuff. So mazes are generated in the runtime, they're not pre-designed. So let's take a look at the left side, which is the scene view of the Unity editor, which is a world view of the level, which the player cannot see. The player sees through the game scene, which is here. So I'm going to press this button, and then we can see the maze being generated here. So loading screen until the maze is completed, and after the maze is completed, the rooms that are not near the player are hidden to help performance. I mean frame per second. So yeah. So now I can start exploring the maze. I'm using the keyboard right now because it's faster and more convenient. So I recommend doing a keyboard control for your game, even if it's a mobile game, because it saves so much time not having to build to a mobile device to test every single time. So I'm following the flames, which is our beacons leading to the exit, and I'm defeating enemies on the way and collecting gold. So I just walk into the gold to collect it, and I press the button on the right here, or the keyboard right now, B button right now, to attack enemies. So basic combat system has been completed. Our attacks will stun each other, but the player is stunned much less than monsters, because if I stun the player, making him not able to move when he gets attacked by enemy, it quickly grows very frustrating. So design issue: make the player not get stunned as much, but increase the number of enemies to balance out the difficulty. So I'll start finding the exit, which will be a ring of light, and apparently this is not the exit, but it's a dead end. So in order to make the game like more fun, I've placed some rewards at the dead ends which are not the exits. Basically, so here I just found the exit. So this big monster is a guard which guards this door. So unless I defeat this guard, I cannot go through this door, which will be locked. So I just killed it so I can walk through, and now I'm at the exit. So while walking to it, I complete the level, and then I can start the next maze. About the choosing the exits, basically I'm currently just finding the longest path between all the dead ends and choosing that path to become the path to be the exit. So this is what a dead end, this is one, this is one, and this is one. So what I did is I detected that this path will be the longest path. So I'm choosing this path as a critical path, and I placed beacons on every room connected to it, so I can just follow the beacons to the exit. But the player does not always follow the beacons, and so if he goes into one of the wrong paths, the other dead ends, I've rewarded the player with gold. So I've put more gold in these rooms and some enemies to guard it. So even if you go the wrong way, you're still rewarded. So now I just walk back to the critical path and just keep going. So kill the guard, unlock the door, and now I can just complete the level again. So this is basically what the player will be doing over and over. And to make it more interesting, I'm gonna put more quests into it and add some monster variations. So hopefully I can make it dynamic enough to keep it interesting, even though it's like purely generated. So yeah, this is basically what I did for the game. Some other utility features are the pause feature. I can press the back button in the Android device or the exit button on the keyboard to pause the game, and I can return or just go to the main menu or quit the game. So yeah, that's about it. So I'll make another video when I have new progress, and thank you for watching.